Today I'm going to teach you this completely free Premiere Pro and ChatGPT method that automatically edits your YouTube videos, Instagram videos, TikTok videos, any videos with talking head and dialogue scripts. Let's go. So right now we're inside of Premiere Pro. I have a raw recording of one of my tutorials where I mess up and do a bunch of repeats, just like that. So if you want to cut those parts out automatically, what you first do is you just go to the text panel and you transcribe it by hitting the transcribe button, which I already did because it took some time. And then what we're going to do is we are just going to go ahead and create captions. So we click on the little CC button, and then you just go ahead and hit the drop down and make sure you set your maximum length in characters to something like 20, minimum duration to like 2, and then lines to single. So that's very important. And then we just hit create captions. Now it will automatically create those captions for us. And the reason we wanted to do that is so that we can get all of our words like really short. Now, if we select all these captions, you can see the exact timestamps for everything. Now I'm just literally going to click on these 3 dots one more time and we hit export. And we make sure we export this as an SRT file. So you can export this as SRT, save it wherever you want. And now what we're going to do is we're going to hop inside of ChatGPT. So first things first, you need this prompt, which I've linked down to below in my blog post. So you just go to my blog, you copy this exact prompt that I made, and then we're just copying this, right? Then we go into ChatGPT, we open a brand new chat and we just paste it. Now, before you hit enter, there's one last thing you need, or actually 2 last things you need, but they're really easy. First things first is you need the exact file path name of the original clip you're editing. So this is the clip that I'm editing, right? What I do is I hold Option while I right click it. This is on Mac, by the way. It might be a little bit different. So if you're on Windows, just get the file path, the exact location of your file on your computer. So you see when I hold Option, it says copy the path name, and then I click that. Now I go into my ChatGPT, and then I can just go ahead and find where it says enter file path name right here, and then I just paste that. Now, one last thing you want to check is make sure the resolution and frame rate are the exact same as your settings. So most standard sequences, so I'm going to sequence and I hit sequence settings, are usually like 1920 by 1080, 23.976, and then 48,000 hertz. And that's basically what this is set to, but if you're doing a vertical TikTok, then you of course want to just make sure the resolution and frame rate are the exact same. If you don't do that, it'll be very bad. And then lastly, of course, we're just going to go ahead and upload that SRT file that we exported earlier. So I just drag and drop that SRT file into ChatGPT just like this, and then I just hit upload. Now ChatGPT is going to analyze your SRT file, and it's going to take some time, so we're going to speed this part up. Now, once ChatGPT is done loading, it will basically give you an .edl file. Now, download this .edl file, by the way. Now, for those of you who don't know, EDL files are basically like a pre-cut edit of your sequence, and they can work for any video editing software. So it's just literally just timestamps of what to cut and what to keep, right? And then we just go back to Premiere Pro, and now we import this EDL. Now, this is where the fun part begins. You literally just go here to File, you hit Import, and then we click on that .edl file that we just downloaded, right? And we hit import. Now we're gonna make sure we set this to 24 frames per second, native, we hit OK, and it's gonna create a new sequence for us. Now it creates this new bin. First things first, you're gonna see a lot of unlinked files. We're just gonna hit Command A to select everything, right click it, link media, and then you hit locate on just any of these. Now you literally go and find the exact file original source clip. So this was the test tutorial I used, and I hit OK to link everything, and I hit locate, and then boom, instantly it links all of our clips. And you can see if we double click this new sequence it made, boom, it made a full edit with all the bad parts cut out. So you can see before, after. That is crazy. And you can see it actually trimmed out a lot of the mistakes, because you can see this one's longer, this one's way shorter. And honestly, there's still some parts to where I would cut or some parts that I would keep. But overall, it does a really good job of just cutting out the bad takes. And this method is completely free to use. Now, also because this is a pretty time-intensive process, you have to go back between ChatGPT and Premiere Pro. I've actually linked down below to a free-to-try tool that we're releasing soon, which will automatically do this entire process for you. Just finding and cutting out all those bad takes. And our model is much more refined than just standard ChatGPT, so do a much better job of cutting out all the actual bad takes. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this free method. Hope you guys found something valuable and useful here. Now keep in mind, we also have a bunch of other AI plugins that automatically edit music videos, event recap videos. So if you want to check out any of those plugins on how to automatically edit videos like that, you can check out this video linked right here.